Hi children, welcome to the today's video class ma. How are you children? What are you doing ma? Are you busy with your academics ma? Are you studying at home? Okay children, very good ma. Keep practicing ma. So children, today I am going to teach a very important topic ma. That is estimation. So these are very important, might help us in many ways ma, in our daily life, for calculations, in many ways it helps us ma. So let's start our class children. Estimation. So children, estimation, a rounded number is easy to remember. So if we remember 117, this kind of numbers, 1236 is very difficult. Instead of that one, if you remember 1000, 2000, 7000, 300, 10, 70, these kind of rounded numbers are very easy to remember ma. So, and it is very convenient and friendly number to calculations ma. For calculations, either additions or subtractions, multiplications or divisions, so these kind of numbers is very easy ma. We can easily calculate these kind of rounded numbers ma. So a rounded number is easy to remember and is a convenient and friendly number to calculate. Okay children, numbers can be rounded to the nearest tens, okay ma, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and so on. So we are calculating numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and so on children. Okay children, now I'm going to teach another point ma. So what is that ma? So this is, okay children, this is the symbol ma for estimation. What is the symbol ma? So you have to write, it is not equal to ma, it is the symbol for estimation. That means it is approximately equal ma. What ma? It is approximately equal, not exact equal ma, it is approximately equal. This means, okay ma, approximately equal. Okay children, for is equal to, this means is equal to, equal, this is equal. Okay ma, this symbol is equal to, this is equal to, okay ma, but this is approximately equal ma, it is approximately equal. So for estimation we use this symbol ma. What is the name of this symbol ma? Approximately equal children. So what it is, numbers can be rounded to the nearest tens. Okay ma, first we learn to the nearest tens. So today we are going to learn how to round it to nearest tens. Okay children, nearest tens ma, how to round it to the nearest tens. Okay children, so what are the tens ma? So what are the tens ma? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. After 90, which number will come? Hundreds ma. Those are hundreds. So what are the hundreds? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900 and 900. After 900, which is the 100 ma, no hundreds are there, then you will go to the 1000. So today we are going to learn these tens ma. What are these tens ma? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So today we are going to learn how to round the nearest tens children. For example, let's take one number children. So which number I take ma? I am taking, so before that one I want to say something ma. So what are the digits that we have ma? We have 10 digits. What are they? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 digits that we have. What are those 10 digits ma? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 5 digits in one group ma. What are the 5 digits ma? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These in small number group. Okay ma? Before going to learn that topic, you have to remember these small things ma. These are small number group. How many digits are in small number group ma? 5 numbers. What are they? Those 5 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are in another group. This is big number group. Okay children? What is this? What is the name of this group ma? Big number group. Just remember these 2 points ma. These 5 numbers in big number group and these 5 numbers in small number group. Okay children? So just remember these 2 points ma. Okay children? So now let's going to learn the topic how to rounded the nearest tens. Okay ma? So rounded to the nearest tens. What is our topic children? Rounded to the nearest tens. Rounded to the nearest rounded to the nearest 10. Okay children, this is our topic ma. So I told you to recall one important point. What is that ma? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 numbers in small group. Okay ma? Small group. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in small number group, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in big number group. Okay children? So for example, take one number ma, 42. I am taking 42 as example ma, 42. So 42 lies between which two tens ma? So just I am drawing a number line ma. So in between 40 and 50. 42 is lies between in between 40 and 50. So what are the numbers on the number line after 40? After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So 42 is lies between two tens. What are those two tens ma? 40 and 50. And 40 is the small number. Here 40 is the small number and 50 is the big number. So observe ma, where is 42 ma? 42 is here. Where is 42 ma? 42 is here. And it is nearest to 42 is nearest to which 10 ma? 42 is nearest to which 10 ma? It is very close to 40 and it is far from 50. So it is close to 40. So what is the nearest 10 for 42 ma? What is the nearest 10 children? 40. Okay children? So in another way ma, what is our number? 42 is our number. So we have to round to nearest 10. What is our number ma? 42. We have to round to nearest 10 ma. So what is the tens place digit ma? 4 in tens place ma. So 2 in ones place. In 42, in 42, 4 is in tens place and 2 in ones place. 2 in ones place ma. Okay children? So what is our number? We want nearest 10, so 4 is our number. So 4 is our number ma. So what is the next number? Right to the next number is 2 ma. And 2 is in which group ma? It is in small groups. So which one ma? 40 is in between, 42 is in between 40 and 50. Forty-two is in between 40 and 50. So 2 is in small group. So which is the small number here ma? 40 is the small number. Which number is small ma? 40 is the small number. So this is the answer ma. Okay children, shall we practice with next example ma? So 86 ma. What is the second number children? 86. 86. Okay children. So 6 in ones place, 8 in tens place. So we have to round to nearest tens nama. We have to round it to nearest tens. So what are the two tens here ma? Either 80 or 90. Either 80 or 90. Okay children. So 80 is the small 10 and 90 is the big 10. 80 is the small 10 and 90 is the big 10. So 86 is near to which one ma? So 8 in tens place. Which number in tens place ma? 8 in tens place. So what is the right next number ma? 6, that is in ones place. This is the right next number. And 6 is belongs to which family children? 6 is belongs to either big family or a small family. Big family. So you have to choose the big number. So it is very easy for you now children. So shall we go with another example children? Third example. Okay children, 46. What is that ma? 46 ma. Okay children, so we have to round it to the nearest tens. What are the two tens ma? 46 is lies between either 40 or in between 40 and 50 ma. 46 is lies between 40 and 50. Okay ma. And 46 is nearest to 50 and 46 is, so 46 is lies between 40 and 50 ma. So here in 46 ma, so 4 is in tens place. 4 is in tens place ma. So what is the right next number ma? 6 ma. And 6 belongs to which family ma? 6 belongs to big family. Among 40 and 50, which is the biggest number ma? 50 is the biggest number. So what is the nearest 10 ma? 50. What is the nearest 10 to the 46 ma? 50 is the nearest 10. Okay children. So let's practice some more examples ma. Okay children. Move to the next slide. So estimate the following numbers to the nearest 10. Okay children, the first sum is 73. What is the question ma? Estimate the following numbers to nearest 10. Okay children, what is the number? 73. So which two tens are nearest to 73 ma? Which two tens children? Either 70, 43 lies between 70 and 80. These two tens ma. Okay, it is nearest to either 70 or 80. So it is close to which one ma? Just see the which number ma? In 73. So 7 in tens place. Where is 7 ma? 7 in tens place. So what is the next right digit ma? Right side digit ma? 3 is in ones place. So 3 is in which place ma? Units place or ones place. Okay children. So 3 belongs to which family ma? So 3 belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 numbers are belongs to small family. Small numbers. These 5 numbers are belongs to small number family. Small number family. Okay children. and the next numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 5 numbers belongs to big number family. So in this number 73, 7 in the tens place. Okay ma, in this number 73, 7 in the tens place, and the next number 3 is in units place, and 3 belongs to which family ma? Small number family. 3, so which is the small number here? 70 is the small number. So 73 is approximately equal to 70. What is the nearest 10 for 73 ma? 70. Do you understand children? So let's move to the next sum children. What is the next number children? 24. What is this ma? 24. So 24 lies between in which two tens ma? 24 lies between 20 and 30. What are the two tens children? 20 or 30. 24 is lies between 20 and 30. Okay children. So and what is the units? 2 in tens place ma? 2 in tens place. So what is the right next number? 4. 4 is the right next number, and 4 belongs to which family ma? Either big family or small family. It's belong to small number family. Okay ma. So what is the small number here? 20. In another way you have to draw a number line ma. Okay children. So 24 is lies between 20 and 30. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So where is our number? 24 is here. So to reach 20, how many steps backward ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 steps away. So to reach 30, so how many steps it took forward ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is plus 6. So 4 is close to 24 number. So 20 is the nearest 10. For small digits we can draw the number lines, but for big digits, for thousands, for 10,000, it is very difficult to draw the number line ma. So that's why we are using this method ma. So what is the right next number? See that one. Is that number is belongs to small number family or a big number family? Identify that one and just choose the small number or big number according to the sum. In the sum we have to choose the small number 20. So 24 is approximately equal to which number children? 20. Okay ma? Do you understand children? Very good ma. Let's move to the next sum. 241. So 241. So nearest tens ma we are doing nearest tens only ma. So what is the number in tens place ma? 44 is in tens place. So what is the nearest tens to this number ma? 41 ma. Just remember that one. 41. Take it ma. First of all. So 40 or 50. So before that one, which place is there? Hundreds place is there. 200, either 240 and 250. Okay children, 240 or 250. Okay children, so 240 or 250. So what is the right next number to 4 ma? Right next number is 1. So which number ma? 1, and 1 is belongs to which number family? Small number family. So very easy ma. So among 240 and 250, which is the small number, which is the smallest one? 240 is the smallest one. So 241 is approximately equal to 240. Okay children. So either right hand, left hand side ma, how many digits that we have? So no need to be worry about that one. Okay ma, we have to concern about the right hand side digit ma. Okay children, let's move to the another one sum ma. Next sum ma. So what is this number ma? 2314. So 2314. Okay children, so which number in tens place ma? 1 is in tens place, 4 in ones place, 1 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 2 in thousands place. So this is very important. 1 is in tens place. So okay children, so what are the nearest tens for 14 ma? Either in between, lies between 10 and 20. So what are the numbers ma? 2310 or 2320. Okay children, so okay children, 2310 or 2320. So what is the right next number for 10 children? So 4 ma. What is the right next number? 4 ma. So 4 is belongs to which family ma? Small number family. Which family? Small number family. Okay ma. So among these two numbers, which is the small? 2310 is the small. So 2314 approximately equal to 2310. It is approximately equal ma, not exact equal. Children, below two sums are there ma, you have to do those terms ma. What are that one? 525 and 7123. Okay ma, try it ma, do it ma. By practice you can learn ma. Okay children, I hope that you understand how to rounded the nearest tens ma. Practice this ma, it is very important for calculations ma. So practice well ma. Okay children, thank you very much ma. Have a nice day children.